Washington.
With the new year, it's a great time to make resolutions for your home.
And joining us with 4 of the hottest trends is home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery. Nice to see you this morning.
Lou and Glenn, Happy New Year.
Happy
We made
New
our
Year.
resolutions, right? Might as well make them for home, right? We're spending a lot of time there.
That's so true, and great setup out there. It looks like a fun time. Let's start with your first trend, which is about a healthy home.
You got it, Lou. So yeah, we want to make home healthier, right? So what if I told you you can make all those common touch areas, think pulls, knobs, wall plates, a lot healthier. So I have with me Franklin Brass. It's an antimicrobial cabinet hardware collection, includes knobs, pulls, wall plates, like I said, all those common touch areas, but it has antimicrobial protective shielding embedded in the hardware finish. That finish is going to last the lifetimes of the product. So it's so great. So protect those common touch areas. The beautiful thing is you can really update the kitchen or bathroom easily. This is a weekend project that you can do. They've got all different styles, traditional, casual, modern, different colors, champagne, bronze, matte black, but just, add that extra level of protection to your home with that antimicrobial finish. I just love it.
All right, another trend you're seeing is with light bulbs.
Well, absolutely, Glenn. So we're spending a lot of time inside. What if I told you, and the sun just came out, we can bring light as close as you can get to the natural sunlight inside all year round. So Sylvania has a Natural Series True Wave LED light bulb, and this is going to help you sleep better, read better, see better, feel better. And this is why, because a lot of LED lights emit an unnecessary blue light. Well, not with this Natural Series. It's going to reduce that blue light and really going to create a comfortable ambiance that I mentioned. You're sleeping better, you're feeling better. You got that natural sunlight in your house all year long.
And then the third trend is continuing from 2021 into this year. What is that one?
Well, this is where we are, Lou. Outdoor living. People are really taking all those comforts of inside and bringing them out. Things like amazing. There's like these little tiki torches. I've got one. Halo Fire is what it's called. Look at that. Isn't that visually stunning? It really makes your house feel like a resort. It creates a vortex that actually pulls air through the gaps on the side, and the heat raises in the center. But they've got the tabletop, the torches. I mean, you really just feel like you're at an oasis. And then I've got behind me
Those are cool.
Traeger. So Traeger, you can cook everything in a Traeger. I don't know if you guys have tried to pellet grill before, but you can bake, you can braise, you can grill, you can smoke, you can roast, you can barbecue, you can cook anything inside, even better. And cooking over real wood pellets really makes your food taste great. I call it, it's like the Traeger hood, because you know what? When you put something in that Traeger, you set it and forget it. You can even get alerts to your phone, and everything that you put in there is going to end up tasting good. So I'm really loving that, but you can see it back here, and my torch is going. So we'll have to have you guys over next time.
All right, sounds good.
All right, you also have some ideas on making your home greener?
Absolutely. We all can make a difference at home with sustainability. So I say reduce, reuse. You know the moniker reduce, reuse, recycle. So reuse. These are bamboo paper towels. So as you can see here, this one roll is going to last you 6 months. They're super strong and durable. You can use them to clean everything throughout the house, mirrors, windows, garage, take makeup off. You can put them in the washing machine, wash them over and over again. They're super durable. I mean, look at here. This is a 10-pound weight that I've got on here so you see how durable they are. But I just love that you can put them in the washing machine and use them over and over again. And then just think about little things. Like I've got a little xeriscaping down here. So it reduces water, just stones and some succulents, or just simple reminders that we know we should do, like, turn that water off in between while you're brushing teeth. When you're filling up a pot to get it hot, maybe take that water and throw it in your plants. So just if you think about little things, reducing, reusing things around the house, you can really make an environmental difference. And 2022 is all about that.
Love the bamboo paper towels. I've never ever seen that.
Oh, yeah.
Very
Isn't
cool.
that great? Raco 75 is what they're called. Just amazing.
All right, Kathryn, some great tips for this year. All right, for more information on Kathryn and her tips, you can go to her website, BeTheBestHome.com.
Kai Goldberg, I know you do composting, right?
Yeah, we try and do that, definitely, especially in the springtime when we're getting ready for the tomatoes and all